Revolution, Neel or Neeli Kranti Mission. Part 1. Blue Revolution, also called as Neel or Neeli Kranti Mission in India, was launched in 1985 to 19,000 during the 7th five-year plan. The objective is to develop, manage and promote fisheries to double the farmers' income. The Blue Revolution, Neeli Kranti, is an initiative taken by the government for the growth of the aquaculture industry. It started in China as it accounts for around 2/3 of the total aquaculture production worldwide. Recently, the aquaculture industry has been growing at an average rate of 9% a year, and India is one of the fastest growers. The Neeli Kranti mission was the start of the Blue Revolution in India, with the vision to achieve the economic prosperity of India, keeping in the view of sustainability, biosecurity and environmental concerns. The Blue Revolution in India was launched during the 7th five-year plan, 1985 to 1990, during the sponsorship of the Fish Farmers Agency FFDA by the Central Government of India. Later, during the 8th five-year plan, 1992 to 97, the Intensive Marine Fisheries Program was launched, and eventually the fishing harbours in Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Tuticorin, Port Bantar and Port Blair were also established over the time. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, along with the Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries, planned to restructure the scheme along with the other ongoing schemes by merging it under a single umbrella of Blue Revolution. The scheme focused on the development and management of fisheries controlled by the National Fisheries Development Board (NFDB). The components that are included under the Blue Revolution schemes are National Fisheries Development Board (NFDB) and its activities, strengthening of database and geographical information system of the fisheries sector, development of inland fisheries and aquaculture, national scheme of welfare of fishermen, development of marine fisheries infrastructure and post-harvest operations, monitoring, control and surveillance (MCS) and other need-based interventions, and institutional arrangement for the fisheries sector. Objective, features, outcomes and FAQs with regard to Blue Revolution will be covered in the coming episodes. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.